I saw the birds flying around. They'll get mad at us. See if they're in there. Because I don't want to make them mad. Okay. I don't think they're in here. They get mad when we mess with their stuff. Come on over here. Come here.
You should rest.
Can you see him?
Yeah.
See the little guy in there?
Egg.
How cute are those like little guys? They're little. Look at them. They're little cuties in there.
And little eggs.
I know. How cool is that? They're mad. They're up there. Look at them. They're mad at us. Sorry, guys. Look. That's them. That's the parents. I hope they're not mad at us, eh?
Yeah, they look fine.
Alright. Hopefully they're okay.
That's why I think they'd do something if they would take all us or something.
Yeah, well, before I knew the nest was there, I went and got the thing because I had to water the plant, right? And one of the birds was in the planter and flew off. He was really mad at me, like making all kinds of a racket. And I'm like, oh, crap. And I didn't even know. And then I looked in there and I saw the nest. And I'm like, oh, my goodness. So then I put a little water to keep the plant alive, but around the nest. I didn't get any water in the nest. And I put it back, and but see, they're sitting up there. I hope they go back in there. Because if you mess with their eggs, I don't know if they'll like not come back. So hopefully we didn't disturb it that much. If so, what we might have to do is take care of them ourselves. We got to figure out how to incubate them or something. And hatch the little eggs ourselves.
No.
Well, hopefully they're okay.
Let's go.
I mean, they don't have to sit on the eggs, you don't think, right?
No, or else they'd be doing it.
Well, I did kind of pick the thing up and it flew away. I didn't know it was in there.
Whoa. Who's that being gay?
I don't know. Hopefully not. Hopefully they're okay. Those eggs. We'll see. What happened? Alright, fresh one to 7. No foul or foul.
It ain't the same without the fouling.
Yeah,
Or it's safe trampoline basketball.
well, it's much safer, especially for me because you're trying to.
But we ain't safe around here.
Oh my goodness! How'd you make that? Did you touch the back?
Yeah, I did.
I don't think you did. That was my point.
Well, I got 2-0. So I still can't believe we still have a DBA.
I know.
What were the business keyboard and DBAs like?
They're
I think
easy.
they were just on the phone too.
Yeah, they're easy.
Didn't she say like last time? Like
She'll ask you some serious
what
questions.
techniques did you use? And
Yeah.
which ones did you like?
Well, when is it?
I don't know.
We'll have to
Never
just,
told me.
we'll do a review. We'll go over the lessons and stuff.
She has got notes.
No, I didn't see those.
I don't know. I saw some.
Okay.
I don't know.
All right, let's go. All right, what's the score?
that too, though. Look, now you're doing what I do. I throw it out.
Yeah, that was very spazzy.
Stand back. Stop. Stop blocking. I'm not gonna shoot it when you're doing that. Ow, my back foot. Defending position. Ow! No, 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 no! By the way, small megalodon.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it was purple.
Oh, the new one?
No, and Sea of Thieves.
Oh, okay.
No! Ow! Cheat.
Yeah.
Man, what really takes up my energy is trying to get the ball from you. Ah!
2-1.
You suck.
I know. I do seem to.
Oh! You suck. How did you know?
I wasn't paying attention when you dropped it.
Let me up.
Ah, come on with that. 3 on. God, why does it not go in?
No.
Oh!
Ow!
Stupid thing does not go in. Thank goodness, I'm done. All right. 3 to 2. God, my shirt smells. 3 to 2.
Why don't we go up if we can't even get to 7?
Well, because the score goes faster as we get tired.
No.
Yeah, but I do confess that you're letting me rest, so that means I'll be able to keep having defense. But as I get tired, I'm unable to defend against you as much because I can't keep up. Like my energy poops out.
Too much speed and agility.
But I rested, so now I think my energy gets rejuvenated enough that I can stick with it a little bit longer. Did you touch it? Back.
Fine. Do you want me to make it? That was so late.
What?
That smack.
I didn't smack anything. There was no foul.
Yeah, you didn't, but you tried to hit the ball and it missed so bad. Move. Why am I just cornered to the edge?
Because I rested and now I have energy to stop you.
Stop.
That is a foul. A chest smash is a foul. Oh, come on now. How is that not? Oh, shoot.
4, 2.
Oh, come on. That sucks.
4,
Come on.
1.
God, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Help me.
Hoping my enemy ain't that well.
That sucks. I was doing good too.
So, what is it? Me 4 and you 1.
Yeah, it does seem that way.
What are we going up to?
7.
Yeah, I think you need a little bit more points.
What would the score be if I didn't keep losing it for throwing it out? It would be tied.
It'd be 3 to 4.
I can still win.
Are you just stalling me so you gain energy back?
Yeah, and it's working. Almost back. You know, my energy goes down quick, but
You know what?
it goes back up.
You know a funny fact?
What?
That, you're tired right now, right?
No, I'm not tired, but my energy goes down. Even though I'm not tired, I have no energy to drive my legs and arms. But then when you let it rest, the energy goes like this. And it's full
Hey,
again.
Papa, have you ever heard about this game called Canvas?
No.
Well, Candy's nuts in me.
No, no. You threw it out.
I almost got it.
Here's my energy bar.
What? You've done. That's not fair.
Well, it was off a block. 42.
Ah! My funny bone! You hit me in the fucking face.
4-3.
My funny bone. Why? Find the funny bone. It's not so funny. Since I lost my funny bone,
It goes up faster
I lost
if I meditate
the ability to say
while you
jokes.
cry.
Well,
Well,
look, I never could say jokes.
Ow! Ow! That hurt.
Really? Nah!
Stamina. Stamina increase. Stamina increase. 4-3. Stamina increase. I can still win.
You always can.
I plan on it. Yeah. Why does my shirt stink so bad? It's really foul. Yeah, you think it's the dang sauces on it?
Yes.
Next break, I'm taking it
That's
off.
why I wear a shirt.
It smells so bad. Ugh.
I don't know why you even wear one.
Well, because I don't want the neighbors to be throwing up and stuff. There's this giant bellied
I'm going abs.
be an ab, you mean? You're gonna grow an ab? Let me see.
You have one big one.
I know, I have an ab. It's very powerful. Ah, there you go. Let me see your stomach abs though. How do you make those?
I don't know.
You lean back kinda maybe? Yeah, you got them. Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
If you do sit-ups, you really get them. No.
Well, I usually do sit-ups by getting up from you hitting me.
That's true. A lot of sit-ups.
Yeah. I really do every type of exercise.
That's true. And your muscles are getting bigger. Let me see your arms. Do this. Huh? Yeah, actually, it's pretty strong.
And that's why I can throw you sometimes.
It's true.
But I usually think of strategies to do that.
I gotta tell you, one strategy you have by letting me rest, not a good plan.
Look. Here's my idea.
Uh-huh. To fake me out, that ain't gonna work. Because now my stamina is full again.
No, I'm not an evil villain that tells you that I tell anyone my plans.
Oh. Most evil villains do tell the plans
Yes,
because
they do.
they're dumbheads.
Yeah, and I'm not gonna tell you.
So you're a smart evil villain.
I'm not evil at all.
Oh, I thought you just said you were evil.
No, I said I'm not like.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but here's my plan.
I'm sure it's a wonderful plan. All right, yeah. What's your plan, E?
Oh yeah, here's my plan.
Yeah, what's the plan?
Here.
Somebody's grilling.
Yeah. Anyway.
What is your plan to go over there and steal a hamburger?
I'm not you.
That was my plan.
No. The plan was for me to juke you.
So I thought that you weren't going to be dumb like the evil villains and tell me the plan. But you just told me your plan.
Yeah, that was the fake plan.
I knew you were going to juke me.
No! Oh, that was I was about to say it.
Ah! Crush belly punch. Ah!
Ow, that hurt.
Wait, I have to save my stamina.
Oh,
Ow! Dude, my health bar just went down some.
what, man? This is Diablo. But I will be playing on my gaming channel.
Oh, yeah, baby. That's a 4-4. Tied it up.
Ow, doing that thing hurt.
What happened?
Oh.
Thank goodness for the net. It's a good thing you suck. Ah!
No.
Oh.
You lost the point. You kicked me out.
It was an accident.
It's 4-4.
That sucked.
Want to go 6?
No, I'm not a wuss. I'll do it. I can do it. It's a weekend, dude. I can do it.
I just don't want to miss the lap.
Ow,
Ow, ow. No.
I got my point back.
No.
I got it. Yeah.
No.
I got my point back.
No, you didn't.
I did. You.
Well, it's still my ball.
Okay. Well, let me get in.
No, it's still my ball.
All right. Oh, you dropped it. That's a shame. 5-4. I can win this, see.
Isn't that so funny how I tricked you to give me the ball so you didn't give your point back?
But I did get my point back.
No, you didn't touch the thing.
What? No, I got it back because you knocked it out and I got it.
Yeah, but you never hit the thing.
I don't have to. I never scored.
Yeah, but you had to hit the thing for it to count.
Oh, stop making up stuff.
I didn't.
Stop.
Why do you think every time I come into here, I always tap
If
the
you
thing?
keep cheating, I'm just going to let Thor bite you.
You just suck.
Come on, let's go. All right, 4-4. Just
Well, yeah.
because I feel confident I can still defeat you,
Bro, that's part of the
even
rules.
with you cheesing.
That was part of the rules, and you never lost a point from doing this.
I,
It was just still 4-4.
no, it was 5-4, and then I kicked it out. I lost a point.
And then
Then you accidentally dropped it out. I went and got it. So really, it should be 4-3.
No, because I got it after you gave it to me. So technically, I changed everything to 4-4.
The logic of cheese.
What do you mean that's the rules?
Yeah.
You have to touch this if it goes out for it to count.
Yeah.
Well, you know what is cheese? Why do you always lay on me?
When are you going to be president of the United States with that kind of bull crap? The cheese.
So, today we're going to be doing the American basketball play. So what you first
Is that,
want to do?
what is that? You're a presidential voice? Come on, go.
Hey, so what you have to,
You knocked it out. It was off of you.
you hit it out of my hand.
Yeah, but it hit your butt before it bounced out.
It didn't even do that.
Yeah, it bounced off your
Oh,
butt.
you hit it out of my hand. You lost a point.
All right, my stamina is full now. I have full
Well,
stamina.
it's 4-3.
No, 4-4.
No, you lost a point by just doing it.
No, I did not. Quit making stuff up.
Yes, dude.
No, you're cheapening the game. If you win after cheesing it that bad, it ain't a win. Come on,
You hit it
let's
out.
go. I'll give you the 4-4 so we can move forward. Let's go.
Oh my
I ain't
God.
giving 4-3. That's just
What do
way
you
too
mean?
cheese.
You hit it out of my hand.
Cheese. Let's go. 4-4.
Oh my God. You
Let's
know
go.
what? Cheese.
Look over there. Look.
Stop. That's cheese. I can't move. No, the camera. No, I only have one hand now. That ain't fair.
Alright, well, give it back to me and then I'll.
Give me the ball back. I dare you.
Oh, come on.
No.
Yes! 5-4! That used a lot of stamina. Oh, come on. Go on, please.
Well, you gotta get the ball.
What is it? 5? Oh, that was not even. I'm dead. The stamina. Negative go. Thank you.
Both hit it out.
No, you did.
No, we both.
I have evidence. I have stamina bar.
No, we.
Stamina. I have evidence. Stamina bar. What is it? 5. Get full, yeah. No. 6. No. Oh, cool. I'm gonna do that again and win.
Yeah, you get the ball.
You mean like that? Oh yeah, baby. No! That sucks. Oh, I was gonna win. I was gonna win. It was over. It was. If you tear this camera,
It's rolling on your head.
energy, I can't. Timeout. Doesn't that work? Pause.
One Mississippi, 2 Mississippi.
2 minutes. It's a 2-minute timeout. There's a commercial right now. Do the commercial. Do the commercial. Well, do the commercial timeout. All right. My stamina is up again.
Alright.
The problem is it empties very quickly now. Like it's full, but as soon as we jump around a little bit, it goes to 0 like instantly.
Well,
Do you find your stamina doing that too?
well, we have to restart because I had the ball last. So you gotta give it to me.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Wait a
All
minute.
the timeout with me having the ball.
No, I had the ball. That's how come I even have the ball.
I threw it to you after the timeout. I
Oh,
had it last.
I think you're correct.
Yes. You called the timeout after I gave it to you. back to our positions. Okay. I'll use my full speed.
Yeah, you do that. Ow! Punch!
Right now! I did it! Okay, we can continue.
It's a 2-minute timeout.
Fine.
No, I had the ball.
Yeah. But it's my timeout. I can call him off any time.
All right.
Oh no. Why are you so slimy? No.
6-6. Remember, I lost a point throwing it out.
Yeah, I know. It's just.
No. This is it for the win. No. Negative.
Yes. It was gonna go in.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
No. Oh. Energies. My 0 energies. Oh. Come on. I got nothing, eh? I'm empty. Negative. Oh. God. Bless. Oh. Suffering.
Oh, my leg's giving up on me.
My
My legs gave out.
I think my heart's gonna burst.
At least I saved the ball from you scoring it.
You earned that one. You earned it. Yeah.
You know, even
GG.
though you missed, you still got the ball and you've had a pretty good shot.